Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix MSVCP100 dll is missing and was not found in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you can do is you need to bring up any of the browser that is present or available in your Windows. So in my case, I'll be choosing the Google Chrome browser. Okay, so just have to open it and wait until you are being redirected to the browser that you have opened. Okay, so here you need to paste a link which I'll be including at the description box below, which is this. Okay, so just have to copy it and paste it here at the address bar. Press Ctrl V to paste and click on enter. So wait until you are being redirected to the result where you'll be able to see a Mediafire website where you can see an attachment link where you can download the RAR file. Now click on download to proceed. Wait until you are being redirected to the downloading of this RAR file and wait until it will be done. Okay, so it will only take less than a minute to download. So okay, so just have to check if it's being downloaded. I can see it is being downloaded here. Okay, so just have to wait until an arrow icon or a folder icon would be available for us. Okay, once it's here, click this folder icon, click on it. Okay, and you just have to do a right click here. Please do a right click. Okay, and here you need to scroll down and go with WinRAR and go with extract to MSVC100. Okay, wait until it will be extracted. And once it's here, just have to double tap to open. Okay, and there you need able to see two file folders. Now, if you're using, if you're having a 30-bit PC, go with the first. But in my case, I'll be going with the second because I have the 64-bit PC. Okay, just have to double tap to proceed. And there you go, you'd be able to see a DLL file. Okay, now how you can check first if you have the 32-bit or 64-bit computer. So here at the bottom search bar, please type for info. The moment you have typed it, a system information will appear. Click on open. We're here at this window. You need to look for system information or system type. Okay, I can see it here and it will state there the type or the value that you have in your PC. In my case, I have an X64 based PC. You might have a 32 or X64. Once you have identified your system type, proceed on choosing such, and here you need to do a right click and click this, tap this copy icon and proceed to your C drive or to your local disk. This time you need to go with Windows, double tap to proceed. And here you need to scroll down and look for a file folder named System32. Okay, just have to double tap once again. And here in this area, please do a right click and go with paste. Okay, so in my case, I have already the file pasted here. Okay, but I'm gonna go with replace the file in the destination and click on continue. Wait until it will be done. Okay, and once it is being pasted here, proceed on your C drive once again. And this time you need to look for Windows, double tap it, and scroll down and look for syswow32. Okay, I can see it here. Double tap once again. Okay, here at this area, please do a right click, click this paste icon, and go with continue. Okay, wait until it will be done. And once all of the folders are being pasted by this DLL file, close this window and close this browser also. And you need to check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so I'm sure it will be fixed. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.